I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to change your plan on Bell Online Canada, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Plans section. Once logged in, find the Plans section in the main menu. This is where you can view your current plan and available options for changes. Step 3. Select Change Plan. In the Plans section, look for the option to change plan. Click on it to see the different plans available to you. Step 4. Compare plans. Review the details of each plan, including pricing and features. Make sure to compare them carefully to find the one that best suits your needs. Step 5. Confirm your new plan. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Double-check any changes to your billing cycle or contract terms before finalizing. Sometimes, the new plan might have a different billing cycle than your current one, so be sure to check that to avoid surprises. I hope this guide helps you switch your plan without any hassle. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.